A solid morning routine has long been the backbone of my self-care practice. As someone who's running a video business, a YouTube channel, taking care of a girlfriend and a dog, and trying to have a social life at the same time, it has definitely impacted my all-round productivity. A healthy, low stress and focused morning routine sets the tone for the whole day. My alarm goes off at 6:30. Oh man, please, just 10 more minutes. Nope. Get up, man. You've got work to do. Oh, my throat feels dry. I need water. Oh, that feels good. Time to get dressed for the gym. Try not to wake up Keltum and Bob. Just a quick protein shake, strawberry flavored of course. Get in the car and drive to the gym. 7 AM, arrived at the gym. Grab my schedule and go for it. Back home, get a quick shower to freshen up. Time for coffee and breakfast. Eggs with tuna or chicken. Time to work. I've been trying out different things along the way, and routines can be different for each individual. But I'm confident that my method works great, and it has served me well during my professional career. Let me give you some ideas or practical advice so you can start your own morning routine, or maybe adapt your current one. This way, you'll reap those benefits as well. And what are the benefits? You feel more in control of your schedule. You are able to better prioritize your time, engaging purposefully with each task rather than reacting to the demands of the day. You can anticipate what lies ahead, and you're better equipped to cope with changes in your planning. Feeling more productive in general, which can give you a sense of completion and pride in your accomplishments. Like almost everything, consistency is key. Try to set a fixed alarm clock in the morning and go to bed in time. Not only will this set you up for a better day ahead, it can also provide more restful sleep at night. I'm trying to go to sleep at 11 PM and wake up at 6:30 AM. After reading The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod, I tried waking up at 5 AM for several weeks. The good thing is I got to do everything that I wanted to do because the day was so long. But around noon I got sleepy and I stopped doing it because I was just getting too tired. But don't let me hold you back. Give it a shot and see how it works for you. Your brain is like a sponge. During the night it has reduced with 30%. So basically you wake up with 70% of a brain. So drink up. Go to the toilet, splash some water in my face and I get dressed. When entering the living room I make a protein shake and eat a piece of fruit. I open up my journal and write down everything that happened yesterday. I write down my intentions for the day ahead of me. This gives me great clarity. Sometimes I like to read back the scribblings I made the year before. And I noticed a big difference in my thinking pattern. I arrive at the gym. Working out is probably the most important part of my day. This can either be running, fitness or any other sports. I train with Cedric. He's a good friend and a better personal trainer. He gives me schedules and measures my progress. After a good workout session, I feel great, and it feels like all of my problems and everything I have to do are stacked in front of me, instead of on top of my head and my shoulders. That's why it's easier to deal with them. I try to work out 5 days a week, but it depends if I have an early call for a shoot or if there are waves in Belgium. If that's the case, I try to save up my energy and plan my day around the best time to go for a surf. Go in the shower. Right now I just take a short shower, starting with hot water and end it with cold water for 20 to 30 seconds. This wakes the body up, and the cold water is beneficial for many factors. Better immune system, reduces stress and anxiety, and you'll be happy when it's over. You can give yourself a pat on the back after doing it. 8:45. Breakfast time. After the workout, my body is aching for the good proteins. That's why I eat eggs in the morning or a bowl of high protein yogurt with blueberries. With the eggs, I'll eat smoked chicken or tuna. Add some salt, pepper and smoked paprika. Delicious and keeps you going. 9 AM. Start working. I do most of my work as a video editor. I check my mails and write down everything I have to do in my bullet journal. I try to write down everything, from drinking water to sending an email to a specific person. This will give you some dopamine rushes when crossing your tasks after completion. My work can vary from day to day. Sometimes I don't have anything to do for clients. This does not happen frequently, but when it does, I plan out a YouTube video, do my bookkeeping or sort my files. If I'm not working at the desk, I'm out for a shoot. This can be all over Belgium or even abroad. Most of the time it's video, sometimes a sneaky photo shoot. I'll work in blocks of 30 minutes when editing and take 5-minute breaks. Around 12 PM, it's time to eat lunch. When skipping this routine, my day is not as great as usual and I feel kinda lost. This usually ends up in me falling down the YouTube rabbit hole or endlessly scrolling on social media instead of doing my work. I used to add meditation and reading to the list, but I'm doing these things now in the evening because it really winds down my body and mind before going to sleep. Now I'm curious if you guys already have a morning routine. If so, please add them in the comments, I love to read them. If you have any suggestions on what I should do to improve my morning, please leave them in the comments as well. Thank you all for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something. We'll see each other in the next one. Bye bye.